Plus size traveling 10 tips. As a plus size traveler, I have a passion for helping other curvaceous tourists. Today, we are helping our plus size travelers enjoy Jamaica to the fullest. In North America and Europe, being called fat is usually said to you in a negative manner, but in Jamaica, that is not the case. Jamaicans typically use words like fluffy, strong, or fatty towards plus size women. Jamaica has songs celebrating plus-size women, such as Me Love My Phatty, where Style X describes his love for his big wife. Due to the history, carrying extra weight is considered a sign of doing well and having an abundance of food.
I like big ladies. Come on. Respect.
While traveling on the plane, an aisle seat may provide more space. You may also want to upgrade to premium seating or emergency exit seating. Make sure you are able-bodied to help those in need to sit in the emergency exit. If the seatbelt is too tight, then you may also ask the flight attendant for a seatbelt extender. They do sell them online, however, the airlines want you to use the ones they provide. Depending on your size, you may be required to buy more than one seat due to the size restrictions. Each airline has different sizing for seats, so make sure you check with the airline website for this information to ensure ultimate comfort. Plane bathrooms can be extremely small, so this may also be a concern for some. Some planes have larger sized restrooms to accommodate wheelchairs, which are better suited for many. Make sure that you always pack an extra outfit and swimsuit in your carry-on in case your luggage gets lost. The resort shops don't often have a great selection of plus-size clothes, if any. Tours such as bamboo river rafting have a weight restriction, but they don't actually weigh you, so as long as you fit on the raft seat, then you are good to go. Most official tour websites will list the weight restrictions. Some are very strict and should be adhered to, and some are very flexible. If you are over 225 or 250 pounds, then you should avoid ziplining, as these tours can be dangerous as they have been approved up to a certain weight. Some of the bigger tour companies may be more strict on weight restrictions, and the independent ones more flexible. Of course, safety is key, so being inclusive is not always possible, unfortunately. If two of you combined are bigger than the seat, then you can just do one person per raft instead of two per raft. A lot of Jamaicans will adjust and assist in accommodating you. Restaurant seating can be an issue, but a lot of restaurants are willing to get you a more comfortable seating if their seating is designed for smaller framed people. Don't forget to check out the description below for more information. We have a comprehensive list of great tours for plus-size travelers below. We also list the weight restrictions, if any, on all our video descriptions. Some tours, such as Pelican Bar, may pose additional challenges as you must be able to jump over the boat to get in, but the captains are usually patient. Jamaicans tend to be very easygoing, especially if you are a paying customer, so no worries. If you are taking a small inter-island plane or a helicopter, you may be asked for your weight or weighed. This is so the weight can be evenly distributed through the aircraft. Check with your travel agent on the best beds. Some resorts have very small beds and others are spacious, well-made king-size beds. We hope this video helps you feel comfortable traveling to Jamaica. To book your vacation to Jamaica, then call your travel agent and Jamaica specialist. Make sure you get a great recommendation for a driver on island, as an excellent driver can really be key to enjoying and planning out your excursions. Your driver should know the places to stop and know of any hidden treasures since they are on the ground. Your driver should know good places to stop and know of any hidden treasures. They should also have current information that can be very useful for a safe yet action-packed vacation. We would love to hear from you. We have provided our contact information below and love to read your comments. Please click on the bell below for the notifications and subscribe to our channel for our weekly shows. We hope you enjoyed our 10 tips for plus-size traveling in Jamaica and hope you join us on our next journey.